All right, so this is a market commentary for um this is November 27th, 2023. So this is market commentary for November 27th, 2023, right? This is what I'm looking at for the last week of November. Right, this is the last 20 week of November, and then December is next week, right? I think on Friday is December, right? 1st of December. Right? So now let us just do a little market review. So I think okay, this was my paid group. In my paid mentorship, I told them about this key level and the market might react of it, and you can see the market react nicely from it. And let us pay very good attention to what's happening here. So watch this. We hit the low of this other block here. You know, whenever you're bearish, any up close candles and other block, right? So we hit this other block here, and then there was a kind of imbalance in between there. And then we are still dropping back to that key level, right? So now there are two things that will happen, or two things that will likely happen, right? So now remember that let me show you some of the weekly time frame. Watch this. So in the weekly time frame, we still have this last down close candle, which has not been tapped into. And that's another block. So, although we can call the other block these two last candles, right? You can say these two candles are other block, these first last two candles. Right? So just to be fair, let us mark this candle, right? So I mark the whole discount level. And on the weekly time frame, remember we were bullish. So we have closed above this high, and currently the weekly chart is bullish, right? And we are coming back into a discount level, right? You can see that the previous weekly low will be if we are going to buy, I feel that the previous weekly low might be tagged. Right? This weekly low should be tagged before the market can start going up. So for today, for this early part of the week, I expect some downward movement. I've seen that the market is playing off the other block nicely and is dropping down. So there are two things that will happen now. Either the market will consolidate, right? Because this is actually a key level. You can see how the market finds it very difficult to break through this level. You can see this is a critical level. This is a 103,500 level, right? Because the market always finds it difficult to break through. Sometimes it takes a lot of effort for the market to break through. Sometimes the market has to go up very well before coming down. It usually takes a lot for the market to break through this level. So that's why I call the key level, right? So now, since the market has not yet broken it, we might still see some kind of range movement. And since we have taken the previous daily low, market might still choose to buy, right? So there's very, very possible. Since we are at discount level, we still have this fair value gap here. Still have this fair value gap here, which the market might choose to come back to, right? Still have this fair value gap here. Market might choose to still, market might still choose to come back here and then drop properly to this level, right? But for me, I will be very, very careful with trading because you don't want to be selling you don't want to be selling DXY at the key level because market can choose to start coming back up or just range. You can see how the sales have been very difficult. You know, the market does as if it has broken and then runs back up. So the sales are always very difficult here at this level. You can see how the market finds it difficult to sell through here. My market finds it very difficult to sell through this level when it's buying, right? I said that market finds very difficult to sell through here. So that's to be a very good level of interest. So my point is that the market might choose to run to this imbalance before dropping, or it might break through. So the best opportunity you will find is when the market can break through. The market can break through this level and then come to a test. It's very nice to see something like this. Market break through this level, break through, then come to some kind of retest, and then drop off. So I'd love to see this kind of thing happen to this. So very nice. I'd love to see this happen. But for now, I'll kind of be very careful with DSY because the market is in a very range, very tight corner. So just be very mindful of that. So this will be a very good area to sell. The market can come back up here. It's very nice to see a sell. And if you see a buy opportunity here, it's nice to buy up at least to this point here. So for now, I will avoid sales until the market breaks through. So instead, I look for buys until the market breaks through. So for now, I will avoid sales until the market is able to come back to the highest imbalance or the market can break through this level. So a buy is more probable here because of this killer. Market can start to push up a bit. So a buy is more probable here, or you just stay because it might range. So market can range. So you have to just stay. But based on the 4-hour chart, the market is still very bearish, right? So let's look at the 4-hour very carefully. So the forward is very, very, you can see our lower high, our lower low. Market is going to form, market has formed this lower high here, and the market might likely drop off. So the buys I would love to see are the buys that will occur when the market takes out this liquidity. The market can take out this previous weekly low, which is here, right? It's very nice to see that kind of buy. Like for me, I love to see market do something like this, blast through this, maybe hit here, and then give us a buy opportunity. Price high. This is very nice to see. This is going to be my very dream setup. Right? This is my dream setup. Market can take out this previous weekly low, hit this other block, and that's very nice to see. I would love this buy very well if market can do that. And of course, the market doesn't need to do what I think it's going to do. Right? This is what I have for DXY. If this happens, it's very nice. But for now, I will likely stay out of DXY. Right? I like to stay out of DXY. Actually, I will avoid the sales. I'll really avoid the sales. I really avoid sales on DXY for now. I really avoid sales because buys are more in place. So let's look at the EURUSD or GPL, sorry. So if you are bullish on DXY, that means you should expect, if you are bearish on DXY, that means you expect bullishness on what? GBPUSD, right? So let's look at GBPUSD. Okay. So on the GBPUSD, remember what we have here in the weekly chart. On the weekly, we have this bearish break, and then we have we have hit our discount level finally. We have hit our premium level. We still have this weekly order block up here, which market has not been able to trade into yet. But looking at this market, I feel the market might still push higher. But seeing that we're at the premium level, you can still see some sales, especially if the market can take out the previous weekly high. It's very nice to see the market take out this previous weekly high before giving us our sales. So for today, I will still be very, very bullish on GBPUSD. Right, I'll still be very bullish to see the market take out this previous weekly high, and then it will give us our sales. Right, so we have, watch carefully. We have this other flow here. We'll see how this one. This what you see. You have this other block here. This is a low of the other block. So we have this other block up here. So we have this daily other block here. I have this daily other block here. Right. Don't forget we have the daily other block here. This is the low of the other block, and that's the high. So we have that daily other block up here. And the market might want to take out the previous daily low to tap into it properly before dropping off. So for me, I like to see markets trade into this other block properly. Right, taking out the previous weekly high. If you can something like this, markets come here and then gives a bearish sell-off opportunity. It would be nice to see market take out this low. So this is my ideal setup on this. Now, if this will happen, it's very, very nice to happen, but it doesn't have to happen. Market can still choose to make a new high because look at the weekly chart. It looks like market can still choose to make a new high. I've seen that we hit. Watch this weekly chart very carefully. We hit this other block here. That's not other block level here. Why? Because this candle took our liquidity for breaking higher. So there was a kind of displacement from this candle to the upside. So it is very likely and very possible that the market can choose to make us a new higher high. Very, very possible. So we have to be very mindful of that as well. This weekly chart looks very good for market make a new weekly higher high. But judging by the current trend is currently what bearish. So let us see what will happen. So let's look at the 4-hour chart to give us a better perspective of what to expect. So you can see that 4-hour is still very bullish, very clear. The 4-hour is bullish. The market is doing what? Making highs, breaking highs, breaking highs. So that is it. Market is still very bullish on the 4-hour. So you have to wait for the market to give you what? A sell confirmation, maybe the 15 minutes or the 1 hour. So 15 minutes is very, very ideal. Market can give us a sell opportunity on the 15 minutes. Very nice. So 15 minutes and above will be good for sales. I've seen that we're at the premium level. Premium level simply means above 50%. So above 50% is very nice for sales. So it's very nice if you can see the 15 minutes, 30 minutes, or 1 hour break bearish. That would be a very good opportunity for us to sell this market. And the same thing is similar EURUSD as well. The same thing on EURUSD. So we have the same thing as well. If you go to the weekly chart, we still have a similar thing. So we still have that same weekly break construction in the weekly time frame, and the market is pushing upwards. So you have this weekly that block here, which I've already marked beforehand. And if you go to the daily charts, and so we're actually at a very good point. The technical liquidity, so let's take this out. We have taken out this liquidity, so that would be nice to see. We hit this inverted favor graph, and the market is doing so. I feel that the market might just continue being bullish. Let me check something again. I'm seeing something. Let me see. GBPUSD again. Wow. Can you see that? The GBS made a high. Why The EURUSD has not made a high yet. So this could be a divergence, but I will not be very quick to act. Right? There's an S&P divergence occurring, but I will not be very quick to act because DSY is still very bearish. So if DXY can give us a bullish setup, then we can trust Euro drop. But for now, market is very bullish. The market is still very bullish. So I feel the best thing to do this week on EURUSD is to stay out until the market retraces nicely or gives a sell. So for me, the best thing I would advise for you is to stay out because now we have taken liquidity. So it's very best to stay out for the market to give you what? A good retracement. Because buying now is very risky because we have very good premium level. So buying now should be a short-term trend. It's very risky to take buys now. So you have to be very careful with the buys now. But EURUSD should still go bullish, right? Because of what the DSY is there. So let us also watch if you can see the market give a very clear. Since you're having that SMT divergence, if DSY can confirm it and then we can see a clear bearish confirmation on this, let's be nice. But for now, just wait for DXY to show his hand. When DSY shows any sign of bullishness, then you can look for EURUSD sales. But until DSY shows that bullishness, then it's best to stay out of EURUSD for now. Right. So remember, I told you guys we are expecting the market to do that. So let's look at GJ. So the daily chart for GBPUSD, you can see we are taking out. Wow, I think I talked about this long ago. Market has made this new high. Finally, have made a new high. It's very beautiful. Look at the weekly chart. We have made a new high. Look at the monthly. I told you guys that we are seeing the monthly liquidity. Market wants to likely go above this high. It's likely market might go and make a new high because what happened was a break of structure. Market took out this monthly high here at this 2009 high here, and then market has given us a bullish break. We have taken this liquidity, and then it's likely market might still make a new high, right? But it doesn't have to immediately, but that's a monthly high. So for now, market is very bullish. For now, it's best to wait for the market to give. So you're taking out a new high, very clear. It's very bullish on GPY. So taking out a new high as well. So sales are just a retracement. Sales are retracement. Why they buy at the original move? All right, so look at this. I don't really see anything for now. The market is still very bullish. And judging by the current range of the structure, we can see that we have what our lower high here and then our higher high. So buyers will be nice from the market. The market can come back with discount is 50% and below. You can look for more buyers to capture that monthly overall high. So wait for the market to drop before doing anything, right? Don't do anything until the market drops. So a buy is more probable. Wait for the market to drop before doing anything. So for the USD chair, you can see that I've marked this already. So I still believe the market can still drop off to this level, right? I still believe the market can still drop to the level. That's what I feel that DSI should do. So we see how this fair value gap here. It was my fair value gap here. So you see how this fair value gap here. It's be a very nice area for sell continuation. The market can come back here. It's very nice. The market come back here or dropping up. It's very nice. So I love to see this happen. Yeah, I would really love to see this happen. But at least to this point here, at least to this. The next market come back here before dropping off. But that's what happened to USD chair. For now, I will stay out until USD chair can come back to this area. This will be a good area for sell opportunities. Right? That's what I have for USD chair. And finally, let's take a look at gold. So for gold has a heavy bullish because of the fundamentals. So look at the weekly chart. I can't really see. Okay, we have this. Okay, we took out this high. So it's likely that gold wants to make a new high. Right? It's likely that gold wants to take out this high again. It's likely that gold is going for 2083 level again. So I don't really know what gold is planning. I feel like gold wants to still run higher. Right. So gold is still bullish because market broke this high and it has broken this high as well. So for now, gold is very bullish, like very bullish. Right, but we have a very good premium level. You can see some retracement sales. Seeing that now we are taking out let's look at the weekly chart again. On the weekly, we are taking out the previous weekly high already. So let us watch what gold is going to do. Very likely that gold might come. I feel, oh my god, what I have here. You have this liquidity resting here, which market failed to take. Okay, because there was another block here. So let's just watch what gold is going to do. So gold is currently very bullish. But at the discount level, wait for the market to give you what? A clear 15 minutes bearish break before doing anything. So the market is still very bullish, very clear. Even on the 15 minutes, market is very, very bullish. So wait for the market to give you a confirmation before doing anything. So for gold, it's best you just stay out, right? Or wait for the market to drop back. So if you judge the gold by structure, you can say this is gold lower, this is gold low, and that is gold high. So that's a very high premium level, right? So you should either wait for the sales or look for retracements. Wait for the buys or look for retracement sales when the 15 minutes confirms it. All right, let's look at the last pair, which is what? The NASDAQ. So with the NASDAQ, the daily chart is telling us what um that we are still bullish, right? Wow, this is beautiful. Beautiful. So let's take this off. So for NASDAQ, we are still very bullish. If you look at the weekly chart, you can see that still the same thing as well. So we have this. So wow. We have this imbalance here. Market has tapped into this imbalance. This is beautiful. So watch this. So keep an eye on this. So we have hit this weekly imbalance on NASDAQ. I have this weekly imbalance here. So I think that's a weekly imbalance. It doesn't mean the market is going to sell immediately. So wait for the market to give what? A confirmation, maybe the 1 hour to confirm the sell. But currently, you're bullish on that market. You're still very bullish. Like I said, we hit the imbalance and then we're breaking up. So the market can break this low. That will be a confirmation for sales. The market can break this low, right? Take out this low to be a confirmation for sales or this low. So this low will be very protective. But yeah, let's use this low. The market can take out this low. It's very nice for sales. The market can break through this low. That'd be a very good sell confirmation, right? So for now, wait for Nasdaq to show you what it was going to do. All right. That's what we have to wait for Nasdaq to show what it's going to do. Our daily is still very bullish. We're taking out this liquidity pool here, and then you're seeing some of the retracements, right? So we have a lot of fair value gaps to balance down there. We have fair value gaps here. We have all these fair value gaps here. We have this unlimited other block here. So we have this other block here. So this is a very good. The market can still choose to drop back here. So if you can see sell opportunities at least 50% of this range, let's mark 50% of the range. So we have our swing low and then our swing high. So if you can see sells to at least this low, it's very nice. At least 50% of this. So this is 50% of this range. Right? So you can see sells up to this one. That would be nice. So let's also wait for market to give us our sell confirmation. So for me, I'm kind of bearish on that. If you can see a 15 minutes break or 1 hour break, I would like to sell at least towards this discount level. Right. So I hope this was insightful. If you want to join my paid mentorship where I go into more details with more insight, use the link in the description and I'll see you guys at the paid mentorship. Guys, have a wonderful. Cheers and God bless.